Hey guys, welcome back to JMR Rebuilders. We're glad you guys are here. This week we're gonna get right back on this exhaust. We have been battling with this for, I think, weeks, and we're gonna get those things together in this video.
And we wanted to let you guys know this video is sponsored by YourWelder.com.
By who?
YourWelder.com.
Oh, okay.
YourWelder.com. If you get on the old interwebs, make sure you type in www. Make sure you put that. If you don't, it's going to send you to the dark web, and you're going to be buying stuff on the Scarlet Letter and
Dark
Charlotte Webs. And I don't want to get all into it.
That's good.
HTTP:// and 192.168.0 whatevers, you know. For all you gamers out there and your PlayStation Network stuff
That needed a welder.
If you're looking, most of you guys that play games probably aren't looking for a welder, let's be honest. You're too busy in your mom's basement. But listen, if you are looking for a local welder and you don't have a contact like we did when we first moved here, we didn't really have anyone we knew that could weld. I went online, I found Clint via the YourWelder.com website. It's a list of local welders in your area. I mean, from what he told us, they had someone in Africa the other day that needed a welder. Zambia. So again, check them out, guys. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And where is it, Jason?
Where's that? Your Welder.
YourWelder.com.
Well, let's get to the work. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna get working on this exhaust header right now. Actually, Ryan's working on it right now. Oh, wait, Ryan, what happened?
I only hit the header one time with one hammer, very lightly. I didn't use all my force like I could have with a 5-pound sledge and then a 3-pound sledge. I was very delicate, gentle.
But you put a giant hole in our header.
We're gonna need to call Clint. Again, getting your corners set, and then you'll come back and run your lines, right?
Trying to get it working in there and then use a little bit of hammer action.
Hey, I like me some jammer hammer. I can't wrap my head around a battery-powered TIG welder. I feel like I'm in Aladdin and you're shaking me on a carpet for a whole new world ride.
A whole new world.
Goodness. I'm about to have an experience.
That's a new one.
What's that, Jason?
I've never heard the Aladdin metaphor. That's a new one.
What can I say? I'm a Disney guy, you know?
I feel like I'm Aladdin. I'm about to experience a whole new world.
Hey, calm down now. I feel like you're copying me, and I'm not sure if it's mocking or
it's
flattery. Okay, I'll take it. You can flatter me. All right, here goes the test fit. Think we got her now, Mr. Clint?
I think we do.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I think we got, as you guys can see, our clearance there. A lot better. Well, there you go, folks.
Nice.
I dare you to lick it.
Looks good. All right, bro. Hey, Clint did an amazing job, didn't he?
Yeah, he turned $125 GT Mustang headers into a custom-made one-off $500 plus set of headers. So
that's what we were.
No.
Actually, it's half stock Mustang GT headers and half custom.
Yeah, so we got a half and half.
Well, show everybody what happened. What we got here.
So this was where Jason hit with the hammers. And cracked it. And so as you guys saw in the video, Clinton came over and as you've seen, we welded in this. But yeah, I mean, it's, again, we had to do it. We had to get the clearance we needed for the space. It's unfortunate But even if I didn't break it, we would have had to cut it to make it fit anyways, because you obviously don't want a dented in header.
Right.
I was just trying to get the clearance that we needed, and it escalated quickly.
Yeah.
Like always, whenever I have a hammer in my hand.
It's usually the way it goes. I don't think we showed in the video what we showed a little bit of a grinding and stuff. We did recess the frame a little bit off camera.
Yeah.
That's what Ryan was referring to try to get some clearance there. It was kind of actually right here behind the 321 piece that we put in. And so we did recess that, and we welded a new plate in there. And then with Clint's awesome weld job right here that he did with that really cool battery TIG welder, that was pretty awesome. And what you guys saw in the video. Now I believe we have adequate clearance, right?
So if you're doing this setup, guys, you're doing a Crown Vic swap and you're putting a Coyote motor in, you're gonna want to stop the kit somewhere in this region. There's 2 holes right here that come in from the factory.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to stop it short, and if you're gonna box it in, you're gonna want to come in quick. You don't want to extend it out further than you need to.
Right.
Because you will come into conflict with the exhaust header.
That's right. So if you guys go back to our video when we did the boxing, I think it was called It's Boxing Day, right, Ryan?
Yep.
And you look, you can see how we kind of elongated it a little bit toward the rear of the truck too far. That was the mistake we made. We just didn't know. We didn't have the engine, we didn't have the header, so.
The other thing you can do is if you buy the motor mounts from Outcast Auto Works, you could shove the motor further back, which would then give you more clearance as well. So there are ways around it.
Right.
We didn't know what we were getting into when we did it, so learn from our mistake. I mean, what can we say? JMR is leading the way.
We are leading the way in the world of half custom exhaust.
We are innovators. Just remember, if you're gonna try to damage your exhaust, don't do it with a 5-pound and 3-pound sledgehammer. Multiple times, you will end up with a damaged header.
With a big hole in it.
Yeah, I mean, to learn from
the
me.
problem is we couldn't buy, I mean, we could have bought a replacement set, but then we had to modify it anyway. So
yeah.
Anyway, at least what we had, the Mustang GT style, so.
That works. Stay tuned, guys, as we will be moving into our new shop relatively soon.
That is happening very soon.
We appreciate our 2 patrons. Patrons? How do you say that word? Patreon?
Patrons from Patreon.
Yeah, so looking at you, Brian, looking at you, Jason. Thank you guys for partnering with us.
Yeah, we appreciate that a ton, guys.
And we could use a few more of you.
Yeah, and we would love for you to subscribe. I know everybody asks that all the time, but that's the way the word gets out, is to subscribe and like and comment.
So like 90% of you aren't subscribed. So there's only like one logical reason for that, and it's that you hate small pygmy children.
That's what I thought it was too.
Yeah.
Nice.
And on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!